Siguro to answer favorite moment. It was the day before CDC. So I decided to visit the UE PEP squad. And then may dala akong mga water bottles. Kasi minsan nag-share sila. So parang, ano ba kayo? Alam mo yun, like, so yeah, I gave them gifts. I gave them one each. Kasi I'm sweet like that, diba? So medyo,
As in water? You gave water?
You already know. And then tapos, I gave the girls flowers, roses.
Wow.
Para lang pang-hype lang sa lahat. Tapos I gave coach, parang na-gift din. Tapos, pauwi na, like, they were just, motivational speaking na si coach, si team manager, nag-ano na. Parang, Jaime, baka may gusto ko sabihin. Saka parang, like, ayoko maging emotional. Kasi, so, salita na ako, like, guys. Pag yung second word ko, parang, guys, eto na, parang, umiyak na ako. As in full-blown.
Nag-fulgol na.
Tapos sila rin umiiyak. So, nag-iyakan kami. Tapos parang sinabi ko lang, super proud ako sa kanila. And then, honestly, kasi sobrang na-appreciate ko sila. They're as in, mararamdaman mo, they give you life. And it's something na, it's hard to explain until you're in that position. I'm sure Yani and Ray knows this, that you're in that position. Tapos they really hype you up, they support you. Kung ano trip mo, trip din nila. So, yun, nag-iyakan kami. And it was a good moment kasi I really felt like it was that moment. We were infinite. No, joke.
Yeah.
It was that moment.
I was getting in the zone. What the hell?
It was that moment when I realized how appreciated I was as a court side. And that meant a lot to me kasi I invested a lot of time and love for them and super worth it. And then, saddest was the next day. Kasi, what happened was, we did our routine clean. Unfortunately, we didn't make it to the top 3. Pero, we kind of felt like, kaya natin number 3, podium finish. So, yung hindi sila natawag sa podium, parang composure, when they got in, they cried. Sobrang frustrated, like, we really felt like we had a shot for a podium finish. Kasi clean nga yung routine. We did everything as perfect as we could. And it was sad na to see their faces, to see their frustrations. Na kahit hindi ako nag-perform, nakita ko, dude, can I just say sa PEP squad, ang daming injuries na hindi nyo nakikita. Like,
yeah.
Leg, arms, sore. Kunyari, if one pyramid messes up, the whole team, kitang-kita mo na. Sa basketball, subtle yun eh. Sa volleyball, mas subtle pa yun eh. So, it's really a team thing. So, yeah, I guess that was my saddest moment.